Hello everybody, Christina Moore here. I'm back after about a week off on vacation, a long overdue vacation. I feel refreshed and I'm happy and blessed to be able to have taken that time off. It was really great to kind of decompress and get away from my computer and just enjoy nature. Those of you that know me know I'm kind of a workaholic. I'm always in front of my computer. I'm always on my phone. I'm always looking for ways to make my client's phone ring. I'm just trying to tweak what I'm doing to make it better. And it's funny because even though I was away and I was enjoying, we were actually in St. Lucia. It was very beautiful there. But it's funny how even though you get away from work, those of you that are marketers, you probably can agree with me here, but it's like your brains never stop, right? It's always turning. The wheels are always going. You're always thinking. You see an ad and you start thinking about, how you could tweak that maybe for your business, or you see something that kind of sparks an idea. And it's interesting how our marketer brains work, right? And one of the things I noticed was QR codes, and I've actually been noticing this more and more since COVID happened. And it's funny with QR codes because they started back in 1994 in Japan. They were basically used for vehicle manufacturing purposes. And then, they became more popular in the States around 2010, 2011. QR code scanners came out and, everybody was excited about them. And it was kind of there was just like this big hype about them, right? And so like for me personally, I was making them for my clients, counterpieces, and I would put embed like, a link to their website or, maybe a review site or something like that. And I think the problem with those back then, though, is if you didn't have a really high quality one, they didn't work, and they didn't really seem to really take off. I remember going to Home Depot and seeing QR codes there, but I really wasn't seeing them anywhere from that time till about, COVID, right? And then once the restaurants started opening up, I started noticing more and more restaurants were having the option of not using a menu. They would have a QR code and you can scan that and basically open it up to a website and see their menu. And it's really cool. It's like restaurants have really started to embrace those now. And it just made me start to think, like, how can we now really embrace these? I'm just curious, how many of you are using QR codes? How many of you have added that to your marketing plan and have seen some success? What is your ROI on using QR codes? What value do you find in them now? I know the restaurant business, like I said, they've already embraced that. I've seen it a lot, over the last year and a half, but I'm just wondering how many other businesses could really have the value of using a QR code now. Is it worth the investment? I would love to know your thoughts. I'm just curious of how many other people out there are using them or have used them and found success with it. What are you using them for? Are you using them to get sales, send them to your website? Are you using them to get reviews? What are you using them for? I would love to know that in a comment below if you'd like to share that with me. I'd love to, join a discussion with you and kind of brainstorm together and figure out what is the best way to use QR codes now. What do you think works the best for small business? Anyway, I look forward to reading your thoughts and thank you for watching my video. Talk to you soon. Bye.